Hello, you're welcome to Educare Parents Portal. I'll be guiding you on how to make payments. Log into your dashboard, and on your dashboard, click on Account on the top left menu. You'll see a drop down, then click on Bills and Stores. A new screen will appear. Invoices are selected by default. Hold on a few seconds for your invoices to load. You'll see it organized on a table with the student's name, amount, purpose of payment, status, and action. For paid invoices, you see paid on the status, and for unpaid invoices, you see not paid. To make new payments, click on Proceed to Pay. Scan through the bill breakdown and then click on Pay Now. A pop-up will appear asking for payment confirmation. Click on Confirm if you want to proceed to payment, or Cancel if you want to pay later. If you proceed, click on Secure Card Payment and another screen will appear requesting for your card details. Please enter your correct card details and make your payment. The status of the invoice page will be changed to paid. Thank you.